Hello everyone and welcome to another EMK unboxing. Now today we've got a special unboxing for you. It's a bonus one. We've got two coins to do today and they are the Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas and of course the lovely Sally as well. Now first off we're going to focus on Jack, so we'll pop Sally to the side there. But I just want to say I really love the boxes or the booklet boxes that these coins come in. I think they're fantastic. And I love the open window so that you can see the coin, and just the way that you would store these is fantastic as well, just in a booklet format. So there on the side of the booklet we can see it's Disney, Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas, and on the back of the book there you've got a lovely bit of imagery, and of course there you can see it's the New Zealand Mint. It's a product of Disney of course, and that's your certificate of authenticity right there. So let's get into the coin itself. Really love these lovely sturdy coins here, and I am going to take them out of the capsule, hence why I have the gloves on. Now the mintage of these coins are 3,000, both of them. Pop the capsule to the side there. Now first up there we have Jack. Now the printing on these coins is absolutely brilliant. The colour's really deep and thorough. Very cool there, cheeky Jack. And then on the other side there you can see of course this one is 2021, $2, Queen Elizabeth II, and that's NIUE. Now they're not so thick, but they're still quite sturdy. It feels nice in the hand, I have to say. And as I said before, this is a mintage of 3,000 pieces for this. Very nice. So that's Jack done. We'll pop him back in the capsule there for a second. And then we'll carry on with Sally. Oh, just love that red hair on Sally. Now this is of course, I should have mentioned before, Jack is of course a 1 ounce silver coin, the same as Sally here. And the booklet that Sally comes in is of course very similar to Jack's. Her image on the back is slightly different, a little bit of different style there of drawing I'd say. But again, you've got New Zealand Mint, Disney, and your certificate of authenticity there. These booklets really are quite sturdy, and New Zealand Mint have actually done a lot of their products in these booklets. And I think they work quite well because they're not so bulky. So if you're storing coins and keeping the booklets with them, it's quite nice in that way. Now we'll try and get Sally out of her capsule too. I wonder if she'll come out as easily as Jack did, because I just think it's a lot easier to see the coins out of their capsules. Of course the capsules are fantastic if you're trying to protect your coins and make sure they last. And again, look at that. The colour is just brilliant. They really have done a fantastic job on these coins. Just brilliant. Now again, Sally is the same as Jack. On the obverse of the coin, you've got Queen Elizabeth II there for NIUE, 2021 and $2. But there's something about these coins that not a lot of people know, and that's what I wanted to show you today. So I'm going to pop them back in their capsules just to make sure they're all safe. We want to keep our coins safe. That's a high priority here at EMK. Here we go. Sally doesn't want to go back in. There we go. She's got out of the capsule. Now she's free. We'll bring Jack over, and this is what I wanted to show you. This is what I think is really cool. So I've aware that New Zealand Mint do their unboxings, but I don't think they've shown everyone this cool trick with these coins. So if you're aware, if you have these two coins together, put your hands out ever so slightly and tap them together, see what happens. Boom. Did anyone know about that trick? Now, of course, I'm not serious. This is another coin that is part of the Nightmare Before Christmas series. The love is eternal, and I have to say, there's so many heart-shaped coins out there, but I really do, I'm a big fan of this one. I really do enjoy it. Now, this one is, again, 2021. The mintage on this one is the same as the others, so 3,000 pieces again. but I really do enjoy this coin. So let's pop that in the middle there and let's just line them up all together and see how they go. Just really nice. And again, with the heart-shaped coin, you've got that brilliant color on there. It's fantastic. The coins themselves are very, very sturdy. Just the lovely subtle designs around the edge of the obverse and then carried on onto the reverse of the coin. Love is eternal. I wonder if anyone bought those for their loved ones this year for something special. There you go. So is anyone out there a fan of The Nightmare Before Christmas? Do you have these coins? Or are you looking to get them? Just curious to know. Let us know in the comment section. But as for today, that is our unboxing finished. Just like to say well done to the New Zealand Mint for another fantastic product range. Excellent. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time on EMK's unboxing series. Bye for now. See ya.